Peekaboo, I can see you through the branches and the leaves, so tenderly running, so far from me. Peekaboo, you are heading back towards your favorite bunker, where we kissed that time, so dark we couldn't see. And do you know I'm even there? I can't tell you do or don't. The back of your fingertips twist around in the sound of an errant step. Peekaboo, peekaboo. But it's nighttime, and your eyes are too just. So you look around with fear, but no idea. Peekaboo, so I follow, turning light and something fast. Till we reach a place you think is the safest. And do you know I'm even there? I can't tell if you do or don't. The back of your negative twists around in the sound of an errant step. Peekaboo, 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 peekaboo. Thank you very much. So the first few songs are going to be a bit dark, but hopefully we'll get through it together. This one's also kind of about going through the woods with a girl. It's called It Wasn't Me, It Was the Moon. Be careful, I know you're only being nice, but nice pretty girls really get what they deserve. Keep looking back to me to check if I'm leaving soon and we'll walk beneath the silver light. But if anything happens on the way, I should disclaim. If my hand brushes yours, it wasn't me, it wasn't me. If I look into your eyes, it wasn't me, it wasn't me. If I slide my arm around, it wasn't me, it wasn't me. If I suggest don't pause, oh, fear me. After all, I'm just a man, and I would say anything to examine those cotton pants. Now we got a motive cause, many opportunities. Why you being so goddamn friendly to me? You're talking in code, what you say it is, I am yours. But if anything happens on the way, I should disclaim. If my hand brushes yours, it wasn't me, it wasn't me. If I look into your eyes, it wasn't me, it wasn't me. If I slide my arm around, it wasn't me, it wasn't me. If I suggest a pose, if my hand brushes yours, it wasn't me, it wasn't me. If I look into your eyes, it wasn't me, it wasn't me. If I slide my arm around, it wasn't me, it wasn't me. If I suggest a pose, It's very kind of you. We're playing songs from our album Men. It's 111 songs long and it goes over 4 discs. It's quite a journey. but it's one I think's worth it if you just want to take the time. So just go and see us if you want a copy. This next song's called The Woods. We're still on the woods chasing the girls thing.
To the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. Oh, there you'll find a pretty girl with a coldness to her eyes. Oh, she's been lying pretty still for a while now. She don't answer when I call. She don't listen to a word I say. She's not there at all. Oh, the moon throws shafts of light down through thickness of the trees, and comes to lie on a hitched up skirt with a bruise just beneath the knees. Oh, she hasn't really moved in a while now, and her chest don't rise and fall. She ain't responding to a gentle nudge. It's like she's not there at all. Still for a while now. She don't answer when I call. She don't listen to when I say she's not there at all. She's been lying pretty still for a while now. She don't answer when I call. She don't listen to a word I say. It's like she's not there at all. No, no. Thank you very much. It's very kind of you. Cheers. Thanks. So yeah, we're getting to the end of our dark phase. We're going to like lighter material soon. So don't worry. We're getting towards the end of it. But this last song is going to be about a game I used to play when I was younger. And it was like a game of Kiss, really. And the boys would wear blue masks and the women would wear red masks. And we used to chase each other and then pin each other down and do stuff to each other. So yeah, that was only a couple of weeks ago. This was called The Game. One, two, three. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, cha-cha. Cha-cha, blue, red, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, cha-cha, blue, red, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, cha-cha, blue, red, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, cha-cha. Let me introduce before we begin in earnest. After that, I'll explain the rules. We are blue, and we'll hunt you down, but we won't tell you what we'll do. Oh, kiss me, blue, red, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, cha-cha, blue, red, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, cha-cha. Just so you know, I would never go near the clearing. Predators work better on open plains. You are red, and you need to recognize in this game you are prey. Oh, kiss me, blue, red, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, blue, red, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, blue, red, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, blue, red. faces. If your eyes see blue, you'll know you'll soon be seeing red. You surrender, or you're disabled. You should know from the get-go. It's only gonna end one way. Oh, kiss me, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, blue, red, blue, cha-cha, blue, red, blue. Oh, kiss me. A very kind audience you are. We were really worried everyone would just be moving around and there'd be nobody watching, but it's actually really nice. So thank you for that.
I like these guys.
Yeah, I like
You're
these
okay.
guys. You guys are all good by us. So yeah, we're gonna leave the dark stuff behind for a while. This song's actually about moustaches and inadequacy amongst male people who think that they should have moustaches when they can, and sometimes they have moustaches when they shouldn't. And there's all sorts of different complexities going on with moustaches. But our protagonist in this song really wants a moustache, but he can't grow one. So instead of doing it that way, he bites through a paper mask of Burt Reynolds' face and then applies it to his own face, so he's got his own moustache. It's cool, I want a moustache, damn it. And normally I'd make you chew through Bert's face, but I haven't got any with me today, so... And you don't look like the kind of guys who'd enjoy it. Oh, what do you want?
I want a mustache, damn it.
What do you want?
I want a mustache, damn it.
What do you want?
I want a mustache, damn it.
Well, sit right down and I'll tell you how now. So you want a mustache? You want it big and full? The first thing you'll need along the way is an alpha male role model. And to that end, well, may I suggest a man we love and know, tripping off testosterone, the one and only Mr. Burt Reynolds, everybody.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, what do you want?
I want a mustache, damn it.
What do you want?
I want a mustache, damn it.
What do you want?
I want a mustache, damn it.
Well, don't you fret, cause we come into that now. Take your A4 paper, see the good man's face. Now listen to me carefully, look into his eyes, and read the words it says there. Oh, chew here, chew here, chew here. Then see your tongue through the hole. Then you see your tongue through the hole. Then you see your tongue through the hole and go. La, 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 la. What?
I want a mustache, damn it.
What do you want?
I want a mustache, damn it.
What do you want?
I want a mustache, damn it.
Well, put it on your face. That's exactly what you've got now. What do you want? What do you want? A mustache, damn it. What do you want? I want a mustache, damn it. Oh, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Well, I guess you want for nothing, cause you've got a mustache. Thank you very much. Babbling, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So yeah, our album covers quite a lot of topics, moustaches and murder and chasing people, but also eggs. And we're going to play a song called Eggs now. This song is all about eggs. It's not really about anything else apart from eggs. So we say eggs a lot. You can expect to hear the word eggs said about 200 times in the next 3 minutes. So.
Do you for the rest of the year, really? I'm still ready over here. I'm still ready.
We have organic eggs, we got free-range eggs, we got chicken eggs, we got fish eggs. We got, oh my, a real multitude of eggs. We got dried eggs, we got liquid eggs, we got fresh eggs, we got those older eggs, we got massive eggs laid by a tiny bird. Oh, we've got eggs, 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 eggs. There are good eggs, there are rotten eggs, we got lady eggs, we got those little man eggs, there's an egg with a yolk, and seriously, that's no joke. There are Russian eggs, we got monitored eggs, we got Greek eggs, we got garden eggs, I'm a pickled egg. But I'm delighted to say hello. Oh, we've got eggs, 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 eggs. There are molecular eggs, they are smaller than the rest, and African eggs taste like warhol breast. There's a soldier in my egg, having the happiest of times. There's a question over which came first. I can tell you for sure, of course. It was the eggs, goddammit. The eggs, the eggs, the eggs. Oh, you got eggs, 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 eggs. Now it really cracks me up. The bad eggs are shellfish, it's smooth to the touch, and I'm ecstatic every time I make a cake. Yes, it really cracks me up. The bad eggs are shellfish, but smooth to the touch, and I'm ecstatic every time I make a cake. Oh, eggs, 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 eggs. Eggs, 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 eggs. Eggs, 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 eggs.
Thank you very much.
So has anyone ever gone on a bad date? And, you know, the ones where your brain is saying for you to say things, and you're kind of doing that, but then you're realising as you're saying them that it's not really an appropriate thing to be saying. I call it the internal monologue. I've been on dates like that, and it never works that well. This song's called the internal monologue date. Is that you smiling right back at everyone lying up and clever wisecrackers? I think that means that we've got something going. And I want you to know that all of the eye contact, the interest shown is genuine and not because I'm on the prowl. That said, if she offered it, you know we wouldn't turn her down. So we should do some dirty talk. Oh yeah, let's try, let's try. Is that a ladder in your tights? Because I'm tempted tonight to climb its every rung and see the kingdom that's promised at the summit. And is your mouth always that large, or are you showing me its dimension so we both know we can accommodate Mr. Berkey? I don't know if that helps at all. She's not smiling anymore. She's already called the waiter, and now she's heading for the door. Oh no, I'm ignoring your advice. This internal monologues run riot, so I'm opening my skull and I'm snipping off the cerebellum. Thank you very much.
Hang on.
Oh, thank you very much.
This next song's about like a state of mind I went in once where literally nothing I did
wouldn't make me feel any better at all. It's good, didn't feel better. I tried lots of different things. None of them worked. And I feel better now, so it's okay. Playing to you lovely people just makes me instantaneously feel a lot better about myself. So.
Great sound, by the way, Mr. Soundman. Thank you so much. It's nice to be treated so well.
Yeah, we feel really pleased. Actually,
Yeah. I was born ready.
I just been to a farm. It didn't make me feel better. Oh yeah, I petted a llama. It didn't make me feel better. No, no, I visited a friend. It didn't make me feel better. I bought myself a new kettle. It didn't make me feel better. No, no, no. So all I want is you, but I know that you don't want me to. I ate an ice cream. It didn't make me feel better. I read your horoscopes. It didn't make me feel better. No, I spent a week in pajamas. It didn't make me feel better. Oh yeah, for counseling. Didn't make me feel better. No, no, no. 'Cause all I want is you, but I know that you don't want me to. I tried throwing a stick. Felt absolutely no better. I took a flight to Dublin. Felt like the mountains did better. No, I went on a speed date. Felt even worse than before. I tried out the new nightclub and couldn't tell if I was alive at all. No, no. 'Cause all I want is you, but I know that you don't want me to. So the only thing when this is through that's left for me to viably do is to take a corkscrew to myself or you and carve our names across our rib gauges. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Thank you very much, That's very kind of you. Okay, as you'll guess from the album title, album's about men, and it's largely about what men do, and the naughty things and the nice things. One of the things that I've noticed men doing quite a lot is trying to go out on the evening and get lucky. And so this song's called Lucky Tonight, and it's about what men will sometimes do to achieve their goals. On my mind, and the only likely outcome is I'll get lucky tonight. I got a fist of pure emotion indirectly at your throat. I got 2 rows of black bin bags. I got a telescope, and all this really means is I'll get lucky tonight. I got a good feeling tonight I'm gonna meet me a girl somewhere on the outskirts. I'm gonna take that girl to a place I know outside of town. So being a man is really all about, yeah. 45 pounds, I got a respectable face. Man, I'm driving a Saab, and I'm looking goddamn well like I'll get lucky tonight. I got a pinstripe suit, I got a black briefcase, I got warm hands, I got some gaffer tape, and all this really means is I'll get lucky tonight. Got a good feeling. Tonight, I'm gonna meet me a girl somewhere on the outskirts. I'm gonna take that girl to a place that's really quiet. Show her manhood really looks like. Oh! You know it. I get lucky tonight. Thank you very much. It's very kind of you. Okay, this next song is about a mysterious business deal that we've done once before. It involves, well, you'll find out what it involves. It's all very clear in the song. It's just called The Business Deal.
Going out in the city tonight, I'm gonna finalize a business deal. 8 years in the making. I got my hair slicked back real smooth, like Gordon Gekko, I'm a Wall Street droog, and I'm finally finalizing this business deal. And when I'm done, there'll be coke and hookers as far as the eye can see. Say, there'll be coke and hookers as far as the eye can see.
Going out on the city tonight, gonna finalize a business deal. 8 to 10 years in the making. It's not the one to kill my wife. I put that one to one side to concentrate on this one. So many years in. And when I'm done, there'll be coke and hookers as far as the eye can see. Say, there'll be coke and hookers as far as the eye can see.
Going out on the city tonight, gonna finally finalize a business deal. All that time in the making. Meet the client at 9:45. This ain't the one that will put me inside for all that really long time.
No, this one, there'll be coke and hookers as far as the eye can see. Say, there'll be coke and hookers as far as the eye can see. Say, there'll be coke and hookers as far as the eye can see. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Thank you very much.
It's all taking a bit of its toll on me, I'll be honest with you. I'm going to have to slow things down ever so slightly. This is convenient because our next song's a slow one. It's called The Round System. And it's about going drinking with your male friends and then going back to your bed all lonely and wanting to cry, basically. Again, it's all from true experience.
La 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 la. The night is long, but your drink is short. There's always more that can be poured. There's capped the evening with a lager and a song. Too far gone to know what's right. We'll clarinet, Pernod, vodka, snake bite. Then we'll wash it all down with a perky stout. And if your money is running short, there's always a friend to spot you, so the whiskey is only a whistle stop away. Neck one quick before the next door ends. The round system gets too complex. Line them up, boys. We'll knock them down. It's ringing bell that marks the end. We'll make our paths to our lonely beds. All the while those songs will echo in our lungs. Sure, there's always a friend to call on. So the whiskey is only a whistle stop away. La 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 la. La 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 Thank you very much, Rhif. It's very kind of you. We've only got a few songs left, I think. I don't know how much time we have. 2 more songs left. 3 or 2? 2 or 3. That's a big light in my eyes. Okay. We'll decide that as being 3. Okay, so we'll do. So this song is the last song on this album. Remember, you can come and see us to buy the album. It's definitely worth doing that. I would like it very much if that happened. This song's called Welcome Home, Quiet Marauder, and it's about 2 parts of your brain converging on themselves, after they've been away for quite a long time. And it goes a bit like this. Winter Rose, back on drums.
I have a very poor memory. I need to catalogue almost everything I do and everywhere I go.
He's got tattoos all over his body. He's just like Guy Pearce in Memento.
That's
Who,
correct.
of course, was also in Priscilla, Queen of the Desert.
There's a link. Okay.
Where did you go? I'm still looking down the hole at the shaper down below. Oh, what is a shame. Well, it's hard to explain, but it's part of my brain. Oh, it was part of your brain. Sir, that's right, and go out and say it again. Oh, 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 oh. Ba-da-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, ba-da-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, ba-da-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, are you coming home? Well, this home's pretty dull, but still I don't know. You should come home. Well, sure, but I think you said that once before.
What will it take? Just a promise that we won't ever fall down again. Oh, 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 oh. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, ba-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, ba-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, oh, oh. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, ba-da-da-ba-ba-da. Is it you at the door? It sure is me that I know too quietly. Oh, are you back to stay? You're way that tree, but I miss your company. Oh, 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 oh. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, ba-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, ba-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, 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 oh. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-da. Oh, ba-da-da-ba-ba-da.
I didn't want that one to stop. That was my happy place. Thank you very much. Sorry.
Did I say let's do 2 more, 3 more? I can't remember now. Anyway, this is going to be, I think, our last song, maybe. 1 song, yeah, 1 more. 5 more, okay. Let's see how we go. Let's do this one to start with. This song is about paranoia that the Animal Kingdom is unifying against you in some sort of grand strategy. It's called All the Animals Are Spying on Me. It's based on a true story. They were actually spying on me, all of them. Oh yeah, and it starts really funny as well too. We start a cappella, but we never check our notes, so it's just what we do.
I really want to know what key it's in, but Simon won't tell me what key it's in. It's all part of his.
It's a mystery. It's
Master
it's
plan.
a jazz key. It doesn't exist. Okay.
All the goddamn animals are spying on me.
There was a cat, you see, he was looking straight at me with the kind of look you'd see on a rugby field. And a pigeon too, his eyes would follow through to my face as though he thought he'd seen a ghost. And a frog as well, I gave him merry hell, cause he made off with my smartphone and my beer.
All the goddamn animals are spying on me.
I need to get out of here.
All the goddamn animals are spying on me.
And a dog, how sweet, he looks really indiscreet until he bares his teeth and asks you for the miles. And a stork, who Lord, comes rubbing on your wall with a beady eye malevolently fixed. And worst of all, and trust me, I should know, he's that nasty snake spitting rage and fear.
All the goddamn animals are spying on me. All the goddamn animals are spying on me. All the goddamn animals are spying on me. All the goddamn animals are spying on me.
I need to get out of here.
All the goddamn animals are spying on me.
Thank you very much. We've been Quiet Marauder.